Hey everyone, in this tutorial I'll show you how to install Audacity on Windows or Mac. If you have already downloaded the installer, you're just a few clicks away from getting the audio editor ready to use. First, find the Audacity installer you downloaded. It is usually in your Downloads folder. On Windows, it may end in .exe, and on a Mac, it may end in .dmg. On Windows, double-click the installer file to begin. If you see a security message asking whether you want to allow changes, click Yes. That just lets the installer add Audacity to your computer. Now follow the setup window. Choose your language if asked, then click Next. You can usually leave the installation folder and other options at their default settings. When you are ready, click Install. Wait for the installation to finish, then click Finish. If there is a box to launch Audacity right away, you can leave it checked. Yeah, that is the quickest way to make sure the installation worked. On a Mac, double-click the downloaded.dmg file. A window should open with the Audacity app and an Applications folder shortcut. Drag Audacity into Applications to install it. If Audacity is already in your Applications folder, your Mac may ask whether you want to replace it. Choose Replace if you are installing a newer version. If you want to keep the older version for some reason, cancel and rename it first. Finally, open Audacity from the Start menu on Windows or the Applications folder on Mac. The first time it opens, you may see a welcome screen or permission request. Allow microphone access only if you plan to record audio. And that's it, Audacity is installed and ready to go. You can now import audio, record with a microphone, or start editing a project. So pick a file and give it a try.